Good morning, everybody. Today is November 9th, 2020. Nice, snowy, cold, wintry day. The weather, the weather is taking a turn for the worse on us. Last week was so nice. This week, last couple days, and it appears like throughout the forecast for a few days, it's going to be kind of chilly and cold. So, hope you guys got your fireplaces ready and warm clothes and hoodies and all that good stuff. So. Once again, I hope you guys are all staying healthy and doing well that way also. So we're gonna jump into page 66 and 67 now. Um, First off, the do now for today. As volunteers, my friends and I will blank many blank to blank. Okay, so an example. As volunteers, my friends and I will donate many books and magazines to schools. As volunteers, my friends and I will make many quilts to send to Africa. Okay, something like that. Actually, distribute. So distribute's the word we wanna key on. As volunteers, my friends and I will distribute many blank to blank. As volunteers, my friends and I will make many quilts to distribute. So you could use distribute here or here. Okay. All right. So the word is distribute. So that'll be for the do now. Okay. With that being said, we are getting into where we're going to start doing some writing. Okay. I love how this is going to kind of lay out our writing for us. So, developing and supporting a thesis statement. An effective thesis statement appears in the introduction and often at the end. It expresses a main point about the topic. It is capable of being supported by reasons and details. Okay? All right. Analyze a thesis statement. Reread the introduction to the model essay on page 62. Mark the text to identify the thesis statement. So it tells us to underline the thesis statement. So here we go. Quez Valdez is a human rights hero. Quez spent his early life as a homeless street child in the Philippines. By age 10, however, he was no longer homeless or helpless. He became a courageous activist for children's rights. Okay, so underline the thesis statement. Quez Valdez is a human rights hero. Okay, I believe that all the details that they shared in the rest of this go back to this. Okay, it all supports this. Okay. All right, so then what main point does the author make in the thesis statement? That he was once a homeless child? No, that's a detail, right? Okay, the main idea is that he works to support children's rights. He's a human rights hero, right? Okay, so now they want us to draft a thesis statement. Okay, so we need to come up with, you need to think of one of the people we've read about. Malala, John Coffey Annan, any of those. Okay, so blank is a strong advocate for blank because blank. Blank believes all children have rights, slavery is wrong, and he has worked to help, advocate, or improve the situation. Okay, so guys, you can basically circle one of these and put it in there. Okay, depending on who you're writing about. Okay, so I want you to fill out this thesis statement. So for example, I'm going to use my name just as an example, but I want you guys to think of one that we've read from the book. Jesse Calder is a strong advocate for education because he believes that all students can be successful with a good education. Okay. Jesse Calder believes all students should have a right to get an education, and he has worked to help students and parents understand why it is important. Okay, so something like that would be perfect for you guys to put in there. Okay, all right, moving to the next page. Okay, so now we're organizing our draft. Complete this outline with notes for your informative essay. Use extra paper as needed, so if you need some extra paper, this is a great time to use those extra notebooks. Thesis statement. So you're gonna go back to the page that we just did, put in your thesis statement. Write a topic sentence for each body paragraph that summarizes the idea you will discuss. Then list 2 key details that support that idea. So here's some ideas. Some idea statements. During his childhood, Jesse Calder went to Northridge Elementary. In first grade, he really struggled with reading. His teacher, Mrs. Fazey, did a great job of helping him to get down the basics of reading so that he could improve. Okay, right here. B, the idea, topic sentence 2. Okay. As a child, Jesse Calder didn't always enjoy reading. However, when he found books that he really enjoyed because his librarian knew him really well, he began to read and enjoy reading. Okay, those are details. All right, then we're going to restate. So you can use words like to summarize, dot, 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 in conclusion, dot, 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 to review, dot, dot, dot. Okay, then you can fill in. You're going to restate your thesis statement, which is up here. Okay. All right. We probably won't get to this section right here, the write your draft section, today, but I do want you to get 66 and 67 done. 66, 67, and get those uploaded. And we will go from there. So, hope you guys have a great day and keep warm. Do something nice for your family or your friends. Let's make the world a little bit better, huh? So, thanks so much, and see you guys later.